नज़र को बदलो, नज़र को बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाया करते हैं। नज़र को बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाया करते हैं। सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाया करते हैं। कश्तियाँ बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं जनाब, कश्तियाँ बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं जनाब। दिशा को बदलो, दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाया करते हैं। 80% of the things that matter to us come from 20% of the activities that we do. Come from 20% of the activities that we do. Who actually becomes successful is who keeps taking attempts, who keeps taking attempts until the number he reaches to prove that probability to be correct. So if I am 1 in 100, I have to try it for 99 times, and the 100th one would be the lucky number. It actually depends on how we react or how we respond on a given situation, with a given problem, with the given struggles. Every person responds differently with the same kind of a problem. It is how we respond, how we react, what shapes our life, is what shapes our future. पूरी ज़िंदगी हम कंप्लेंट्स करते हैं, पूरी ज़िंदगी हम बहुत परेशान रहते हैं किन चीज़ों से, कि हमारी कश्ती ख़राब है, कि हमारा नसीब ख़राब है, कि हमारा तो बस नसीब ही ख़राब है। पूरी ज़िंदगी हम खुद से ये कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमारी कश्ती ख़राब है, जबकि ज़रूरत होती है हमें सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ थोड़ी सी दिशा बदलने की। हमारे पास सब कुछ होता है, हमारे पास सब कुछ होता है, हम चल भी रहे होते हैं, हम दौड़ भी रहे होते हैं, हम उठते भी हैं, हम गिरते भी हैं, हम सब कुछ कर रहे होते हैं, हम ज़िंदगी जी रहे होते हैं। हर पल, हर मिनट, हर सेकंड हम ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं। बस ज़रूरत है तो हमें क्या, ज़रूरत है तो हमें सिर्फ दिशाओं को बदलने की। Nobody is ever wrong. Nobody is ever wrong. The only thing is wrong is how we see that particular thing. How we see that thing. Nobody is doing a mistake. Nobody absolutely is wrong. He is relatively wrong. For us, something might be wrong, but at the same time, that might be right for that other person, because of the circumstances he was in, because of the situation he was in, because of the things that he had to do, was for the reasons that he did, and so on. So mistakes and errors are extremely circumstantial and relative. They are never absolute. So most of the times you will find similar situations in your life. Somebody not listening to you, somebody acting weird, somebody shouted at you, somebody got angry at you, somebody did something wrong, somebody did some mistake. Please, 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 do not draw conclusions or do not judge based on just what you see. Try and understand what exactly is going through. Now, it is not trying to multitask. It is focusing, it is completely focused. Your creativity, your motivation, your inspiration, your learning, your past, your present, your future, everything comes concentrated at one place, and that is the one thing that you are doing. So do not get distracted. Do not get distracted, and do not make an excuse of getting distracted. People did something to you in the past, a few years back or a few months back or a few weeks back. Why are you still bothering yourself today? And how is that helping you? If there was something that was wrong, if there was something that was done wrong to you, what will it improve if you think about it today? How will things change if you think about it today? If you get angry over it today, you cannot change anything. Rather, it would make more sense if you can figure out what situation led to that situation. How can you avoid similar situations in the future? How can you better manage yourself in those situations? And not engage your mind, not let your mind occupy getting into that time wasting activity of being bothered about something that happened with you a few weeks or a month or a year back. Do not get bothered about that. Life's balance is not in equalization. Life's balance is not in making things equal, making the hours equal, making the efforts equal. Life's balance is in prioritizing. Life's balance is in prioritization. So we never calculate on these things. What is the purpose of life? Why exactly have we come here? What are the things that we do? How do we make things balanced? How do we equate things? Bring in equilibrium? We never calculate any of these things. And that is why we are afraid of life, and we are also afraid of maths. I deserve. When I ask for the best things in my life, I also have a responsibility of giving the best things to my life. When I want the best things in my life, I have the responsibility to give back the best to the life that I have got, and I make sure that I give my best and you give your best to the life. Do not let those negative things be your choices, be your choice. Rather choose positivity, choose a lot of energy, choose love, choose life, and choose health, and maybe choose abundance. When you make positive choices, when you choose these positive things in your life, be it whatever aspect of your life, be it whatever part of your life, always choose to be positive. Success is not the destination, it is the journey that we live in. We become successful a day of our life, but 364 days of the entire year is what we keep working on. It is the journey that we are making. It's one day that we reach to a point and then move for the next one. So do you want to enjoy that one day, or you want to live the other 364 days of your life? So if you have to love the other 364 days of your life, you have to love the process. You have to love what you are doing. You have to do whatever you do the best possible way. Then the 365th day would not be very important for you, would not matter a lot, The result would stop bothering you. Whether you fail or you succeed would stop bothering you, because you are doing your best. You are enjoying your every single day. So do not pause, do not stop. Keep taking a lot of actions, keep taking massive actions in your life, and there's one thing that is sure that is gonna happen, is you are going to be successful one day. There is no doubt about it. Do not have any doubt about it. Do not keep any doubt about it. Just keep moving faster and faster and faster every single day.